Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Mac OS version and ensuring you have account credentials from your VPN provider. This matters because app features and protocols differ. Once done, decide whether to use the provider app or the Mac built-in VPN client and download the official app if available. If you prefer manual setup, copy the server address, username, password, and any certificate. Make sure System Preferences has permission to install software before proceeding to installation and authorization steps. Install the provider app and grant network permissions when prompted. The app usually configures everything automatically, which reduces errors. If you choose manual setup, open System Preferences right arrow network, add a VPN interface, pick the protocol, and paste server details with the remote ID. Once the connection entry exists, apply settings and import any certificate to Keychain, then save and test authentication. Make sure Kill Switch or Start on Boot options are enabled in the app if you need persistent protection. Click Connect and verify your new IP address and location to confirm the tunnel is active. This proves traffic is routed through the VPN. After a successful test, enable Auto Connect and the Kill Switch or DNS leak protection so you remain protected when networks change. If the connection fails, restart your Mac and the VPN app, re-import certificates, try a different server or protocol, and confirm firewall settings aren't blocking the client. This step resolves most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.